Hi everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Let's head over to the App Store, and this is all you got. You don't have the little Android guy. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this. So this is going to be probably the most asked questions I get. I don't have the Android guy. Superbox did release a new update. It kind of messed everything up, but don't worry, there is an easy fix. Sometimes try rebooting your box, waiting a few seconds, plug it back in, and sometimes the App Store will appear. If it does, then you're one of the lucky ones. If not, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to head up to Browser, press OK. Okay, for this option, we need the mouse, so make sure you click on the mouse on the remote. Head down to Accept and Conditions. Go to the top search bar. Now we're going to type in the following. Okay, so you're going to type in 108088 period CC. Then once you finish typing that in, let's head over to Go. You get this pop-up, press OK. Once again, we need the mouse. Head over to Open. We could get rid of the mouse. Install. App installed. I'm going to hit Done. For some reason, that link didn't work. Try this one. $108087 period CC. Then head over to Go, and you can download it right from here. You could also head over to your computer, type this in your web browser, download it, then install it through a USB drive. Okay, so I'm going to exit out of here. Now, if we go to the App Store, here it is. So we're going to press OK. And there you go. Before we download any apps, so right over here, TV ROM updater, we do need to update this. This will fix the App Store. This way, if you need to update any of these apps, it might disappear on you again. So let's make sure we update this. So click OK. There's a check mark. Once you get the check mark, you're going to press OK one more time. And now we're going to hit download. And as you guys can see right here, change log 1 solved the problem of no App Store. Just gotta wait for this to finish downloading. Okay, now we need to install it. Press install. This is gonna take a couple minutes. I'm just gonna fast forward it. There we go. So now it's completed. Let's head over to yes, I want to reboot it. There you go. It's booting back up. So let's go back to the App Store. Let's make sure there's no other updates. So it all looks good here. These are the three main apps right over here. OTA, Launcher, and obviously the App Store. Okay, I do recommend once in a while, go into the TV ROM updater, click on it, and make sure you get no updates available. And this way you know your box is good to go. Anyhow, hopefully this helped you out. If you have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, give me those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.